Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and to answer a few questions, as this is really not a good idea to use, but a lot of you have been asking me, the risks behind several months now of having no security updates on Windows 7. And of course, Windows 7 ended its security updates in January of 2020. Since then, hundreds and hundreds of security flaws have been discovered, including tons of critical security flaws. There are some security flaws in there that are actively exploited now. And of course, a lot of people still have Windows 7 machines around, and some questions related to that we'll kind of revisit a little bit. It has been a while. So the first most popular question that I have is, of course, is it possible to stay safe using Windows 7 on the internet without the security updates? And the simple answer is no. It's funny because there's a lot of people saying, well, I'm using Windows 7 and I have no problems. That's because you probably are exploited by bad guys, but you don't even notice it and don't even know about it. It's very common that people are infected with malware without even noticing that it's there. And of course, a lot of people say, well, if I get the best of the best antivirus, it doesn't matter. When you have this high amount of security flaws in Windows, no security of any kind is protecting you, because antivirus will not protect you for that. And a lot of malware will break the antivirus in such a way that it doesn't even notice that it's not working well. It looks like it's okay, but it's not. So many of these things happen, and a lot of people think they're safe and they're not in reality. Now, the way to stay safe with a Windows 7 machine, because a lot of you have asked me questions about some specific hardware you use that doesn't work beyond Windows 7. There were never really Windows 8 or Windows 10 drivers for it, and so you're kind of stuck using a Windows 7 machine. Just keep in mind that if your Windows 7 machine never connects to the internet, it actually isn't a problem. Really, the security on Windows is related to its connectivity with the internet and other computers. If you are not on the internet with that machine, say it's a special printer you have, well, you could actually install and use that special printer, but all you have to do is just make sure that you have whatever you want to do on that machine, but not connected to the internet. If it's files or things you get from the internet, download them or get them from a good machine that is on Windows 10 and secure, and put them in a USB thumb drive, being very careful that that thumb drive is always clean and okay, which should be okay if you are using a secure machine, and transfer these files like that to another machine, to the Windows 7 machine, without having it connected physically to the internet. A lot of people are on the impression that, well, I don't do anything on the internet that's dangerous, so it should be okay. The problem is, a lot of the security flaws in Windows 7 are exploitable just being connected. You don't even have to do anything. Just the fact that you're online is enough. And especially with a lot of the protocols that they have actually fixed over the last months. So make sure it stays offline, not connected to the internet, and make sure that you use a dedicated, good, safe machine to do whatever else. And the last question that a lot of people are asking, if you have a Windows 7 machine, you don't really want to go to Windows 10, what is there in possibilities that could still have that computer work and stay safe? Well, you could at this time go to Linux. There are Linux distros that you can take that old Windows 7 machine and run a lot of the Linux distros on that machine, and that will be a free way to actually have that machine working and go on the internet and stay safe, because you'll have a operating system that is updated and that is hopefully safe. That is a possibility for an old Windows 7 machine if it can't go to Windows 10, or if you just don't want to go to Windows 10 with it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.